Thanksgiving, time with family and friends, moments of laughter and newfound memories. The sweet smells of pumpkin pie and oven-roasted stuffed turkey, while the cool breeze of fall and promise of winter gently remind us of another season of life. Thanksgiving is more than just another holiday. It's an opportunity to reflect on our place in this world and the things we take for granted. But what if this Thanksgiving, there was no turkey? What if there were no mashed potatoes or gravy? For many local families, Thanksgiving is just another day with an empty plate. For over 15 years, Harvest in Sarasota has dedicated its holiday season to giving parents and families the gift of Thanksgiving that we oftentimes take for granted. In the past 10 years, we have given over 8,000 turkeys and 250,000 pounds of food away to families that are just looking for a helping hand in their time of need. Will you join with us by donating for this Thanksgiving and holiday season so we can make sure that the simple joys of a warm Thanksgiving dinner can become a reality for every family in our community?